gosh. What's up, guys? Everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see around me, that's snow, which we don't get a whole lot of here in Alabama. So, of course, we decided to, go camping. Go camping in this mess. So if we can get out of the driveway, which is what we're fixing to try to do, we're going to go hit up a camping spot not far away. Miles is already in the truck, so we got the trailer loaded. Guess let's start this adventure and see what happens. I'm going to take you guys along with us. Alright. Let's see if we can get out of here, buddy. You ready? Mm-hmm. Oh, this is probably not the smartest thing we've ever done. Alright guys, here we go. We done been out once this morning, but as you can see our track is already covered. We had to go get some drinks. Alright, we're out on the road. We're going to take our time. So the road in places is starting to melt a little bit, but then the snow and sleet's coming right back in on top of it. So trailer's still back there. Alright, well, let's get to the campsite. Sure is pretty out here though, ain't it? We're fixing to climb this hill. I let those folks go a little before me so we can get some momentum up if we need it. Here we go. I think we'll make it, no problem though. This truck does need some tires.
Yeah.
Put some tires on here real quick, buddy, before we get going.
No.
No? I think we'll be alright. It's definitely slick though. You see that or feel that? We're making it. Be meeting up with Mike. He's going to go camping with us, him and his son. And there they are. Yep, they made it. Alright, on we go. It's actually changing from snow to sleet now, so it's really going to get slick. And tonight, I'll show you guys here in a little bit the weather. But oh yeah, that's cool. The pond's done turned over, ain't it? Mm-hmm. Anyway, they're calling for temperatures down in the 20s tonight, so that was cool. I'll go ahead and wipe that off there, not. Alright, so that's one of the big hills we got to get up. But I don't think that's going to be too big of an issue. Looks like people's already been up and down it, so. It's really done changed over to sleet now. It's mostly ice falling, so. They did pre-treat the roads last night and yesterday, so we're hoping it's going to help a little bit. Alright, there's going to be one slick spot, and then there's one slick spot right in the middle of the hill. So. Ice right there, buddy. Mm-hmm. Keep our momentum up.
Yeah.
into the park. Oh my goodness. And a whole lot of people been in and out of here, have they? Alright.
You know how bumpy it used to be with
Yeah.
rocks? Now it's not.
Smooth, ain't it?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll take our time, get down in here. Our campsite spot's 21, I believe. So, now coming back out of here tomorrow might be an issue. We'll just have to see how that goes. Sure is pretty down here though, ain't it? Alright guys, well we made it. Mike's got his tent out. We had to do a wishy-washy turnaround thingy right here.
It's very wishy-washy.
And what are y'all doing? We ain't even been here 20 minutes. That's a big snowman. That's awesome. You still got one more to go?
Yeah, we were rolling it and we fell into a ditch.
Oh no. Y'all having fun?
Yeah.
All right, don't get too wet now. All right, so we got the canopy up. We still gotta get the fire pit up, which we brought the propane one because I didn't have any firewood.
Check out my new annex.
I know the annex worked out good. So the guy that he bought this from finally sent him the annex for this, so he's got that on there. And yeah, so I still gotta set our tent up, and that's about it. It's the sleet and the snow's kind of let up for a minute, so we're gonna finish kind of setting some stuff up, and then yeah, we'll bring you guys back here in a minute. All right, the boys are hollering. We'll go over here and check out the snowman. Holy moly. Don't eat yellow snow.
Yeah.
Stand over. Man, that thing's as tall as you are, Bubba.
There's little cracks in it, so I'm sure I'm getting in the snow.
Okay.
Took a very,
Long time.
Y'all boys, I tell you what.
a very long time.
We're not snowballing, Dad.
Snowball.
No, we're not. We're not snowballing, Dad.
Oh, you lucky. Fireball.
The key is to keep moving in a way.
The key is.
Oh no.
The key is. Go right here.
All right, y'all quit. Y'all gonna get wet. So we got Mike's annex up. We got the tent up, and we're just kind of finishing up. But then I was like, it's raining. But that's actually not rain. That is sleet coming down.
Yeah.
What's up, Caleb? You having fun, buddy?
I am.
Yeah.
Hopefully our snowman survives.
Yeah, hopefully it does.
Yeah, you can see it bouncing off the tailgate over there. It's the crazy weather we're having.
And we're gonna make it
Yeah, we're gonna make it bigger.
We'll make it bigger?
even
Okay.
bigger than it already is.
On a scale, you know how I like to do my 1 to 10? On a scale between 1 to 10, is this where does this rate on the dumbest stuff we've done?
I think you need to raise that scale up.
1 to 20.
Bubba said 1 to 20.
No, 1 to 100.
This is
the dumbest. Yeah,
I think this is fun though.
stuff that we've ever done.
Yeah, I have to agree. But hey,
Considering we was sideways and you was jackknifing there and I done slid off in a ditch,
yeah, and then
drove
almost,
through a ditch.
yeah. So anyway,
And
this is all for you guys, so we can go camping and bring you guys with us. So yeah.
Yeah, we're doing this for y'all.
So anyway, we're gonna finish getting set up. We got the propane fire pit to set up. We got a table to set up with our camp stove, and
And logs.
yeah,
And we gotta put some wind walls up too.
yep, swim walls, and then
For the trap for heat.
yep. So we'll bring you back. Yeah, we'll bring you back here in just a little bit. Okay, guys. So we got the canopy up. Got all of our little wind walls on. We actually got the propane fire pit down here. So we just got on the lowest setting. So it's actually melted the snow off the picnic table, and the kids got their gloves up here drying. So we're just kind of hanging out now, kind of warming up a little bit, drying off. And I still got to put our bedding and stuff in our tent. Miles he's having fun, aren't you, buddy?
Yeah.
So the sleet kind of turned to rain for a little bit, so the temperature come up some, not much. But anyway, still got a few things to get up and pack out. Let's see here. Gotta get our table and our cooktop and a few other things coming in. Alright. So that's where we're at with it now. Alright, so we're sitting here watching a movie. Mike made us some hot chocolate, so you can see the steam coming off. How's your hot chocolate, Caleb, or is it too hot to try?
I tried it a little bit, and
Did you?
it is...
Well, he still hasn't warmed. Is it still too hot?
Do this and I feel the heat.
You feel the heat warming up your nose? So,
I tried it, and yeah, we got the heater going underneath the table.
yeah. So, and it's actually not even getting it hot. We got it down low enough that it's, yeah, so. But anyway, we're just kind of sitting around right now, trying to stay warm and hanging out, and yeah. The temperature come up a little bit, so it kind of changed from like snow to sleet and then kind of to rain. So it's still kind of raining a little bit. I didn't do it.
So you want to tell them about your little excursion trying to get out of here?
Oh yeah, so we had so we forgot some stuff, and right here where we're at, we're kind of close enough to the house, so we can, if we need something, we can kind of run to the house and get it. Well, I decided to take my truck because Mike's pulled in and got his trailer connected. We disconnected my trailer, and I took about 3 runs at the hill up here. It was a no-go. So my truck's 2-wheel drive. So luckily there was another guy here. He actually works at the campsite. He has a 4-wheel drive F-150, and he was able to pull me up the hill. So
Yeah, but ball tires doesn't make it any better, though.
no, my
If you'd
truck.
had good tires on there, you would have made it up it.
Yeah, because all the weight in the back of my truck would have helped with all the tools. But yeah,
The tires on the front have a little bit of tread on them.
I wonder if I should rotate them. Anyway, we're gonna sit here and finish watching the movie, and then our hot cocoa, and then our hot chocolate. I guess that's the same thing.
It's cocoa.
Is it cocoa?
That's it. Simply cocoa.
Oh.
Simple
And then
ingredients.
we might
Dark
walk
chocolate.
around a little bit and show you guys some more of the snow.
Have you seen that? Have you seen that video?
All right,
Look at me.
so hang on a minute. So you guys remember like Madagascar, the penguins from Madagascar? So Miles learned how to do something pretty funny. Do Rico.
Look at his eyeballs.
Do it again. So we still got the fire pit going, and we put a little diesel heater in here, Mike's, and it is roasty, toasty in here, isn't it? And this wind wall is not even fully attached. We just got it kind of hanging, but you can't even see your breath in here anymore.
Feels good in here.
It's nice.
Well, I had to tell you what the temperature is. Show outside.
Well, on the ground it's, I don't know,
It
I
was like
can't.
50 degrees a while ago.
Was it?
Uh-huh.
And that's down there on the floor, so up here it's going to be warmer. Anyway, we just got our, so that right there is a Milwaukee tripod light that runs on Milwaukee batteries or whatever. And we're going to start cooking here in a minute. We're going to try to do a beef stew. I guess that's what we're
Yeah,
trying.
we're doing a beef stew again.
Okay, now check this thing
Y'all
out.
seen our beef stew?
Mike got this. It's kind of neat. It's an oven. So in the morning, we're making biscuits.
Look, feel it already.
Is it already getting hot?
Put your hand in there.
Oh, wow. So it's got a little thermostat on the front. Let me turn the light on so you guys can
It's
see.
opened up right here in the center.
Let's see here. There we go.
See, it's opened up right here. Look. See here? And the
Okay.
heat escapes up around there.
That's actually really neat.
Now.
In the morning, Mike's making waffles. Gonna make some biscuits.
We're gonna make some biscuits. And then look.
Oh, leftover pizza from earlier today. Oh, you can put me one in there?
More?
Yeah,
There ain't but 2 left. You one, me one?
yeah. Might as well try it out. Heck yeah.
Give it that couple minutes.
At 400? At 400. All right, so anyway. Oh, and it started sleeting again, guys. Hang on just a minute. So, we got pretty much everything set up out here. Best we can anyhow. Got the cord, so my Blue Eddy's in my pickup truck here. I'll show you what I got. So, and this is my work truck, guys, so. But my Blue Eddy sits there. Of course, this is my gear for work. So I just got the cord run out, and then it just runs across the ground into my diesel heater. Is over here on the trailer. Of course, we got the generator if we need it.
Now, let me ask you a question.
So that's sitting there.
Using that power source like that, would that pull more power out of the Blue Eddy?
Not really. It's running the inverter on the Blue Eddy, so it's not as efficient as it would be if you was on the 12 volt side.
On the 12 volt, okay. Because that's what I was curious about.
So there's my diesel heater, and I got my hose run up right into the tent, and I already fired it up just for a little bit, just to kind of.
It got so warm in
It
there.
was nice.
Oh, it was nice.
So
I was ready to go in there and lay down. Shoot.
So yeah, what we're gonna do is right before we go to bed, we're gonna fire these up, run them on about 5, and then before we go to bed, bump them down to like 1 or 2.
Now I am gonna have to fire my generator up and charge up my
Yeah, we'll have to do
Blue
that.
Eddy. That way,
So-
I want at least 80% charge or better before
Yeah.
we go to bed.
So anyway,
But I'm
guys.
gonna do like you. I'm gonna run it on 5
Yeah.
and then kick it down.
Okay. Well, anyway, so you guys can hear, the sleet has returned, and it's supposed to change back over to snow. And what time is it now? About 5:30.
About 5:30.
So it's starting to get dark.
We fix to start prepping for dinner.
So we're gonna make some stew.
Pizza.
Oh yeah, you don't do that. Don't. Yeah. You're gonna forget it.
We're gonna roast her.
So anyway, gotta close the toolbox up, get the truck locked up for the night, and then yeah, it's gonna be fun. Well, is it cooking?
Look down here.
Oh wow, that's glowing.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to do that?
Yeah. Because it's sitting directly on the flame.
It got up to 300 degrees awful fast. That's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna have to buy me one of them now. That's pretty awesome. I'll leave a link to this down in the description if you guys are interested in
You want to hang on a second? I'll grab the box.
Oh, you got the box?
Mm-hmm.
Real quick.
I've been wanting one of these.
So Mike's got his. So I bought this hose off Amazon, and I linked it in one of the previous diesel heater videos where we checked them out, and I can put it back in the description. But there ended up being enough hose for him to run his heater.
Here's the box.
So yeah, but I'll
It's
put
a
a link.
camp oven.
But I'll put a link for that down in the description for you guys. We haven't really tried it out much, but we're gonna make biscuits on it. We've found it on YouTube.
10-inch square rack adjusted 3 heights. Designed to fit Coleman liquid fuel.
Read that part.
Alright. Okay, that says 10-inch square rack adjusted 3 heights. Boy, you said read it. I read it.
All right, guys. I'll bring you back here in a little bit once we get dinner going, and we got the laptop, so we're gonna watch a movie, and then yeah, we're just gonna hang out. All right, so we got the stew done. What do you think? Very good.
Oh, this is ready too.
Yeah.
The potatoes.
How do you feel about that?
Potatoes are done.
Yeah. We're sitting here watching Cletus on the laptop. So we're gonna finish eating the stew and.
Gotta let that cool down.
All right, guys. Well, the boys got cold. It's right about 9 o'clock, maybe a little after 9. So I went ahead and kicked the heaters on. Tents are warm on the inside. Miles is done piled up. Went to and piled up in there to get warm. So Mike's got his set up, and his is already getting warm in there. So he's got his on 5 right now, but he'll have to turn it down a little bit.
Careful with that cord.
Alright, anyway guys, we're going to turn these other lights off, and I guess we're going to call it a night. I had some stew, that was good. Watched that movie. See, we watched, what was it, Shooter?
Shooter.
Had Mark Wahlberg in it, and that was actually a pretty good movie.
Didn't get to watch all those kids could hang.
Yeah, they were getting cold. They kept hollering, my feet's cold. So, anyway. Alright guys, well, we're going to call it there and get up in the morning, make some breakfast, and hey guys, we made it into the tent. Miles is pretty well passed out already, and yeah, it's about 70 or so degrees in here. Outside temp says it's about 33, so it's warmed up in here quite nice. I actually got the window cracked open because it was actually too hot in here. So anyway, I guess that's gonna be it for tonight, and yeah, I guess we'll see you guys in the morning. What's up? Good morning, guys. Bubba's waking up now. How'd you sleep?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. It's only about 32 degrees up there this morning. It gets right at the freeze point. I don't think it got as cold as I thought it was going to. Anyway, you ready? Oh my gosh, that thing is bright. Anyway guys, we're gonna get up and move around a little bit. Okay, so we're up, moving around. And, I just bumped the heater up for a little bit, just to make sure this gets warm. Burn off some of this water on it maybe, and then we'll pack it up. We actually stayed really warm in there last night, to the point where we actually had to open up a window and get some cold air in there, but it didn't get down as cold as they thought it was going to. It only managed to get down to about it was like 30 degrees, somewhere in there. But yeah, they did really good. Anyway, in a little bit we're going to start packing up and make some breakfast. I guess we're going to try to get out of here. I'm trying to see if I don't fall and kill myself. I'm trying to see how the ground looks this morning. It's a little, I don't know. See if we can get out of here. Oh yeah, the ground's not frozen, so. And then yesterday we had to leave, so grab a few things. So I think we'll be able to get out of here this morning. So. Anyway, I'll see you guys back here in just a little bit. Kind of curious to see how much fuel this thing used last night. I don't know if you can see the line, it's right here. So when we started last night, we had 6 liters in it, and now it's right here. So we're still above what they would consider 50% or half a tank. That's pretty good for all night. Because we were running it on about the lowest setting it would go to, and had no problem keeping it warm in there. Let's go check on the Blue Eddy and see how well it did overnight. Let's see real quick. So, I started the Blue Eddy out at about 60% and it's down to 33. But we're also running it on the AC side. So, and running it on the AC side also makes the inverter inside that stay on. So, it's more efficient to run it on 12 volt. So that's what we're going to try to do next time. We still got plenty of power left to run it the rest of the day though. Alright everyone, as you can see, we are getting packed up, or almost packed up. Miles is over there rolling up the legs on the trailer. I got backed up over here to give Mike enough room so he can get out. It looks like the road's cleared up enough that we should be able to get out of here without any assistance. So, It's ended up turning out to be a pretty nice trip, guys. I gotta say. And for the first time camping in the snow, it was definitely an experience. Hey guys, we're gonna pack up real quick. I'll show you how quick this tent goes up after you get all the tent poles and stuff on. Actually, the hardest part's the cover that goes on it. I guess we're gonna call this video here.
Huh?
How did you enjoy your sleep?
On a scale of 1 to 10.
Oh, yeah. It was hot, wasn't it?
It was hot.
Them diesel heaters really did it.
My back was hurting because I can't lay flat on my back. I'm a side sleeper.
Yeah.
But I had to lay flat on my back because of the.
Yeah.
We got some adjustments to make.
He was having issues with the Blue Eddy with the 12-volt socket. The adapter he had kept popping out. So
it was old.
We had to fight
Ordered
with that.
a new one.
Yeah. So, but anyway, we were both able to stay warm last night. It got down to about 30 degrees. It was definitely warm. It's actually warming up now. The sun's coming out. So
I was sweating inside.
But anyway,
we had the window completely open.
Oh yeah, ours was too. So you did pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Both said he had fun. So this is something Miles. This was kind of really Miles' idea. He wanted to do a snow camp. Mike wanted to do a snow camp, and I kind of wanted to try it because when I was young, my dad always wanted to try it, and we never got the chance to do that. So
it was something different.
Yeah, it was definitely an experience.
I've learned that I will wear warmer boots.
Yeah,
because my toes have been cold the whole time.
Yeah, we got some gear adjustments to make, but it's not bad for well, I was gonna say a dry run, but it really wasn't dry.
No, it wasn't dry. Not in the least little bit.
So, well, anyway, guys, we're gonna end it there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until the next one, you guys take care.